Okay, so here's some journal entries because we're going to buy a tractor. So we went to the John Deere store and bought a tractor. It was $90,000. So John Deere financed 70,000 of it. So we have to record the tractor. And in the memo section, the description, if you want, we can say, bought, John Deere 7,500 tractor. Whatever it is you bought, you can put it in there, and then that way you know. So that's the credit part. But while you're in the store, you also wrote them a check for $20,000. Now this you don't need a journal entry for because you already did it, either putting it on your credit card or writing a check or what have you. Okay, so that's the purchase. So in the end, you'll see building and equipment will wind up being a total of $90,000, and then you'll have a loan for $70,000 and use $20,000 for cash. Then each month you're making payment on the John Deere credit. So it's $800, and you won't need a journal entry for this either. It should be automatic. So when you make the payment, it's $800, and then $200 was for principal and $600 was from interest. Now, instead, if you want, you can just do the payment at $800. So it's just going to John Deere Credit and Bank of America. So you do that during the year. And let's say this was the whole year. You would have to fix it. So when you got the statement at the end of the year from John Deere Credit telling you how much you owed, you would just fix it. So this transaction just fixes this one payment. But you can see whatever the John Deere Credit balance is, you use this to adjust it, and then the other goes to interest. And then that will fix it. And so at the end of the year, your balance sheet will match what John Deere says you owe for the principal. There you go.